Hi everyone. Welcome back to NG Auto Review. Today we're taking a closer look at something truly extraordinary, the 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome. This is not just a vehicle, it's a rolling palace designed for those who want the highest level of luxury, freedom, and performance on the open road. Mercedes has blended the prestige of Maybach with the practicality of a motorhome, creating a vehicle that redefines travel. From the outside, the 2026 Maybach Motorhome makes an immediate statement. Its exterior is bold yet elegant, featuring Maybach's signature chrome grille, sleek LED matrix headlights, and a sculpted body that hides its massive proportions with smooth lines. Unlike traditional motorhomes, this one looks refined rather than bulky, with aerodynamic curves that not only enhance aesthetics but also improve efficiency. It rides on massive alloy wheels with the Maybach emblem proudly displayed, and the subtle two-tone paint finishes give it that unmistakable bespoke touch. Even the integrated side mirrors and roof-mounted solar panels are designed to blend seamlessly into its luxurious profile. Underneath the beauty, performance is equally impressive. The 2026 model comes with a hybrid powertrain that combines a powerful V8 engine with advanced electric motors, delivering both strong performance and eco-conscious efficiency. With over 600 horsepower, it has more than enough strength to cruise smoothly at highway speeds even while carrying a full load. Adaptive air suspension ensures a comfortable ride, ironing out bumps and making long journeys feel effortless. Mercedes has also equipped it with state-of-the-art driver assistance, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, and automated parking, so maneuvering such a large vehicle becomes surprisingly easy. Step inside, and the interior is where the Maybach Motorhome truly sets itself apart. This is a mobile mansion with handcrafted leather seating, ambient lighting, and real wood trim. The cabin is divided into living zones, a spacious lounge with reclining chairs, a fully equipped kitchen with smart appliances, and a private bedroom with a king-size bed. Every detail is designed for comfort, from the panoramic windows with electronically tinting glass to the customizable climate zones. The infotainment system features massive OLED screens, surround sound, and seamless connectivity, making travel both entertaining and relaxing. As for pricing, exclusivity comes at a cost. The 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome is expected to start around $650,000, with customization options pushing it well past the $1 million mark depending on buyer preferences. This is not just transportation, it's a statement of luxury, lifestyle, and ultimate freedom. That's all for today's in-depth look at the 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more on the world's most exciting vehicles, right here on NG Auto Review.